Let me shock you a little. Do you know you can make something that looks like coconut oil even without making use of coconuts to produce that oil? I know that sounds kind of confusing and interesting at the same time. Do you know what? Stick around and watch this video to the end to find out the magic I'm about to perform in this video. Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to be making coconut oil without using coconuts. In fact, let's just call this kernel oil with a little twist, because it's going to be looking exactly like coconut oil, but we're going to be making use of our palm kernel nuts, right? So after extracting your palm kernel from your banga fruit, sun dry it and then go ahead to break it. I've done all of that and I've cracked it. This is me just washing it to ensure that it is very clean. I went ahead to wash this twice because that's what I want to do. If you want, you can leave your own like that. So after washing this, guys, this is how it looks, and I went ahead to turn it into my mortar. This is very optional. I'm only doing this because my blender is still very new and I don't want to stress it yet, but my blender still has the capacity of crushing it. After that, this is how it looks. You guys, welcome my blender to the family, because you guys are definitely going to be seeing this all the time. So I went ahead to blend this. This is how the palm kernel is already looking. You won't even be able to know that this is palm kernel that I'm using to produce this oil, but since you start watching this video from the beginning, you definitely know that this is not coconut oil that we are making. So after blending it, I went ahead to turn this into the pot, because this is where I'm going to be washing it to extract the milk from the shaft, just exactly the way you make a coconut oil. So basically what I'm just doing here is extracting the milk from the shaft, you guys. And I always like to wash this thing twice. You can wash it more than 2 times, or you can wash it once, just as it pleases you. So this is me washing my coconut shaft for the second time, and you guys, I am done doing that. Look at our palm kernel milk, you guys. It's looking exactly like coconut. Since the quantity is very small, I went ahead to turn it into this plastic, this small plastic here. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to tie that to my window ray and leave it for a couple of hours. For this particular video, I left it for 4 hours, and you guys can see the fermentation. The milk has separated from the water, and this is me using this pin to punch out the plastic so I can separate the water from the kernel curd. And I've gone ahead to do all of that and turned it into my pot. I'm just going to place this on fire and leave it on a low heat to cook. And you guys, by this time, can you see the oil? I made use of just little palm kernel to get this oil. If you want to have more of this, ensure to use a large quantity. Please, if you know you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment for me in the comment section, and please help me share this video. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching my video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and bye.